Assured, a smart way to finance that allows you to enjoy a new Mazda more often. If you want the ability to change your Mazda every few years or enjoy the latest in style and technology, Mazda Assured could be for you. First, find the Mazda you love. Then choose your deposit amount, if any. Then estimate how many kilometres you'll drive and whether you want to make weekly, fortnightly or monthly repayments over a term from 1 to 4 years. Mazda Finance then calculates your guaranteed future value, which is equal to your final repayment. This gives you confidence today and assurance for tomorrow, knowing the car's worth to us at the end of your loan, subject to fair wear and tear and agreed kilometres. The guaranteed future value means you could enjoy lower monthly repayments than you would with a standard loan, with the options at the end of your loan to upgrade, keep, or return. If you want to upgrade to a new model at the end of your loan term, simply trade your Mazda in and keep the new car feeling going. If you love your Mazda and want to keep it, then you'll need to pay the final repayment, equal to the guaranteed future value. Mazda Finance can help you with refinancing this amount. Or, if you prefer to return your Mazda, Mazda Finance will put the guaranteed future value against your final repayment and you'll have nothing more to pay, subject to fair wear and tear conditions and agreed kilometres being met. So if you want to enjoy the latest in design, safety and technology and drive a new Mazda more often, Mazda Assured is a great way to finance your Mazda. To find out more, speak to your local Mazda finance dealer.